Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can get Forex Factory on your Android. When you go to the App Store and you type Forex Factory, you see you will not get Forex Factory. You will not get Forex Factory's app. So what you can do to get it is to come to a browser. You can open a browser and then you type Forex Factory. Okay, forexfactory.com. You see that Forex Factory has opened in the app, but I don't want it in a browser, but I want it actually on my phone. So the only thing you do is you go to this three dots lines, okay, and then you click on install. You go to install. When the pop-up comes, then now we can close this. And then wait for it to come. It's installing. Yes, it has come. So you see that you have FF for Factory, you click it. So this is the Rare Forex Factory. Just open it. Yes. So can you see it? This is how you can get a Forex Factory. So you can go to filter 8. Okay, you can go to filter 8 to the trade. You can register a trade, and then you can also go to here to do it this week, and then you apply. You go to your time. If you want to change the time zone, 24 hours. Yes, save it. You can log in as well if you want to log in. So you can see it. This is Forex Factory and how you can actually get it here. So today, see, you can get the news here.